Welcome to Campaign Planner, a complete back office for political campaigns inside of Notion. I'm excited to introduce you to this template, which gives you everything that a political candidate and political campaign needs to manage their campaign through Notion. It includes lots of things that you need to do on a campaign, including tracking tasks, tracking contacts, tracking all of the content that you would put out on your campaign. Also, tracking your finances, like your accounts, all of your transactions, your campaign budget, and all of the vendors that you might need to track as you progress through your campaign. It also allows you to track all of your contacts, all of your supporters, all of your volunteers, all of your donors. It allows you to favorite contacts for quick access, and it allows you to show a graphical representation of your campaign team when you need to reach out to your campaign manager or other members of your team in a really quick fashion. You have all this information at your fingertips. Campaign Planner is also great at tracking events. You can track things that are happening today, tomorrow, things that are happening later in the month through a monthly calendar. And you can also track events that just your candidate or your campaign plan on attending. You've also got a separate space to track official election items in your calendar. These are things like when nominating petitions might be due, days of your primary or days of the general election, legal dates, campaign finance filing dates that might be happening in your race as well. One of the best features is tracking all of the content that you might be putting out for your campaign, including things like your official resources, like your guides, your volunteer ebooks. You can track all of the email that your campaign is planning to send and when those emails are going out. You can also track statistics of your emails, like how much you fundraised off your emails and what your click-through rate is. You can also track all of your social media posts that are going out, and you can track statistics against those social media posts as well. If you need to track advertising and print collateral, there's a space for that as well. And there's also a timeline for tracking when your print is going to printer, when it's in design, when it's being mailed, and when it's actually showing up at the doors, along with a finance tracker to help you track transactions against those items. One of the best areas of Campaign Planner is the ability to track your campaign budget, all of the items of your budget, and all of the transactions that go into your account. You can also track cash flow, which is super important in political campaigns, understanding when money is coming in, when money is going out, and what the expected account balance is that you are dealing with so you know how much you could spend in the future. You can also track this moving forward, which is actually more accurate than, say, looking at a bank statement that might be 30 days old or more. You could also track all of your cash flow, which shows when things are coming in and when things are going out, which really allows you to dial into those finances, which is super important, especially as you get close to the election periods. All of this is controlled inside databases in the Political Campaign Planner, and it's available for you to duplicate into your Notion database. I hope you enjoy Political Campaign Planner. Congratulations on deciding to run for office, and good luck in your race.